What is going on? Today is October 7th. We're going to be going over pre-markets, open markets for the Pennyland stocks. We're going to start with ALTM. This bad bitch, nice little push at the morning. And then pretty solid structure to it, although definitely a higher float stock. This thing, I don't know what the hell you'd call this. I guess grinding upwards. There was this little uptrend, but there was only a second point, so it was more hindsight than anything. After it did break, it kind of faded to Narnia here. Basically back to zero. To me, not a whole lot going on here. I honestly thought this could potentially push up to this daily level at 492. It did not. Ambo. This thing in no pre-market, I would say basically nothing going on until about here. Late day pushes, we've seen a couple of them today. This is some can we please, for the love of Christ, get this in the morning tomorrow? I want this at 9:30. Give me this start. Give me 9:30 right here. Anyway, this volume's great. We have a nice, clean. We've been calling it a fake head and shoulders. Oh, she getting jiggy right now. We call it a fake head and shoulders, or this could just be, you know, a nice W pattern. Oh, fuck. Anyway, we've been seeing a lot of this, kind of like a double bottom. So if we start to see 5-minute flag, it breaks, it kind of double tops with this, comes back down and finds the same support. Here would be a great add position. Obviously, it's clear risk for the most part, 280s, and let that bitch ride up. We have another example later that we'll talk about on RIME. But Ambo, nice late day push. Hopefully we get some more better momentum. Today was dog shit as far as from 9:30 to 12, but it is what it is. Going over to GSIW, this one was a multi-day ticker. 250 we had pinned, I'm sure, on the daily. It was probably that thing right there. We failed to get over. I actually personally took some here for like a little double bottom, like W flag type pattern. It went absolutely nowhere. Thing was strapped down, and then it broke this kind of mini uptrend and faded to death as well. So really nothing going on here. Not really impressed with that effort. Indo again. We have a nice little U pattern. The volume here is not worth my time, but it didn't ride the 190 EMA. Good push, then double top, and then it faded. To me, unless you're swinging this play for a day trade, this would be pretty difficult. But IVP, this thing ski sloped off the face of the earth, just went, pretty much died at open. Nothing going on there. LGMK. So LGMK in previous lives, or aka last week, 2 weeks ago, this would have been, this push right here would have came back probably to 18. And because we're kind of in a transitional / weak market, this ended up rejecting off of VWAP here. I actually took some for a potential push here. There was kind of this upwards trend in pre-market. I thought, you know, kind of hold that spot, but I needed to push down a little bit further. This thing, again, there's essentially no trades on this unless you're taking it pre-market. This was probably the best trade, but yeah, market's definitely weak. We also have a key level fail here at this gap level. MYT, I'm just going to review it just for the hell of it. We saw a lot of stuff over yearly highs. The only thing I want to note here is it did break VWAP and put in a nice decent flag here. So If I am around for something like this, that'd be a good fill there. Pets also faded off a cliff. It also broke its 1-year highs. It hit that and faded and then just never came back. So once the stock starts kind of doing this shit, pretty much time to get out. RIME, another one over the yearly highs. This one put in a nice kind of, not weak open, but nice dip here to the 200, daily 200. This thing grinded up. I'm not seeing this as a potential trade really. This would have been a nice flag. I don't really love that candle though, but it did as well do the W pattern / fake head and shoulders here. This is what we really wanted. This section right here would have been a really good ads. We did not break over it, but from here to here is going to get you a good percent gain. And then there was kind of an uptrend, not really, but it just started to fade off after this. And then also faded off of the yearly highs as well. So anything running into key levels below it right now is pretty bearish. All right, let's get to sober. God fucking damn. This thing just cock rocketed straight up and then double topped. And that's pretty much about it. The only thing I see this doing for me is maybe sparking something in the penny market land, which everyone is praying that it will. There's really not a whole lot of patterns to go over on this. This is just more of a squeeze, a pullback. We'll see what it does. SRFM. No real volume. I don't even know why I have this up, but this pre-market this morning was pretty weak, so decided to leave it up just in case, but it did not do really anything. And then WETH was also kind of a no pre-market random spike. But yeah, there's not a whole lot going on here. A lot of stuff running later in the day. As far as confidence in bullish plays, they are far and few between. So this is more of a protect your ass kind of market. But yeah, we're gonna vibe and we're gonna fuck up tomorrow.